If you're busy and can't answer a call, you can easily send a text to let the caller know. Here's how you can reject the call with a quick text response. First, let's get you receive a call on your iPhone. When you get the caller screen on your phone, here you can see the message icon. From here, you can tap and send a text message from here. If you add something to your writing, then you can tap Custom. Here, you can send any costume message that you may want to send to calling person on your iPhone. Even you set customized text if you want for instant text for calls. For that, you need to open setting, scroll down, tap apps, scroll down, find out phone apps. Here, you need to choose tap response with text. Here, you can add customize your text response with. So, that's how you can reject an incoming call with a text response. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching.